Pricing your products in inFlow couldn't be easier. Simply choose your price and inFlow will calculate your markup. You can also set up different pricing schemes and assign them to your customers as needed. What's more, inFlow has an easy-to-use pricing tool designed to help you set your prices up quickly. You can set your prices right from the product screen in inFlow. To ensure healthy profit levels, inFlow shows your markup based on the cost of your merchandise. Using the amount that has been calculated in your costing field, either via last purchase, manual, or moving average, the program does the following calculation. Price equals cost plus markup. For example, if we were to resell Kung Fu action figure that we purchased wholesale for $20 at a markup of 50%, then the calculation would look like this. The price is equal to $20 plus 50%, which in this example would be $10. That means that the total price for this item will be $30. When you enter your price, inFlow will automatically change your markup percentage based on this calculation. You can also type it in the target markup directly and inFlow will calculate the price for you. To set the item price, simply enter the amount you wish the product to cost, or the markup percentage you wish to use, into the pricing scheme provided, which you can rename or add to as you see fit. You can also assign pricing schemes to various customers depending on their status with your company. For instance, if you wanted to set up a member price, let's say you give your customers a very generous 20% off, then you might need to adjust all of your products at once. Using the product pricing window, we can create a new scheme called Member and tell inFlow that Member is exactly 20% less than the normal pricing scheme. Among the many things you can do through the product pricing window, you can effect whole-scale price changes rather than having to change the prices individually through the product records. As mentioned a little while ago, you can also save a specific scheme to your customer record by changing the default pricing scheme for that customer in their record. Simply choose the desired scheme from the drop-down list. Let's say this customer is a member, and save. Now, when you choose that customer during a sale, their default pricing scheme will be used instead of the overall default you have set, and will adjust your prices accordingly for that sale. In this case, the customer's default is member rather than the overall normal price default scheme. What's more, if one of your products doesn't have a member price, the program will use the default pricing scheme, in this case the normal price, to determine the item's price rather than simply entering a value of 0. For more information on the products you've seen here, please visit our website at www.inflowinventory.com.